Welcome to my channel. Let's say more English.
Hi, I'd like to apply for a library card.
Of course. Have you had a Riverbend library card before?
No, I moved here 2 weeks ago.
Welcome. Library cards are free for Riverbend residents.
That's good to know. What documents do I need?
We need a photo ID and proof of your current address.
I brought my driver's license.
Does it show your current Riverbend address?
No, it still has my old address.
That's okay. Do you have another document with your new address?
I have a digital copy of my apartment lease.
Great. May I see the first page and signature page?
Sure. Does this count as proof of address?
Yes, this lease is acceptable proof of address.
I wasn't sure because it's on my phone.
A clear digital copy is fine.
Can I show it to you now?
Yes, as long as your name and address are visible.
Here it is. The lease began this month.
Everything looks good. Please fill out this application form.
Do I need to fill out both sides?
No, adults only need to complete the front.
What should I put in the preferred name box?
Write the name you want us to call you.
Can I leave that box blank?
Yes. Then we'll use your legal name.
Do you need my full date of birth?
Yes, it helps us confirm your identity.
I'll write it down instead of saying it aloud.
Of course. You don't need to say it aloud.
Should I add my phone number?
It's optional, but we can use it for library notices.
I'd rather receive notices by email.
Then check the email box near the bottom.
Will you send me advertising or marketing emails?
No. We only send account notices and library updates.
I only want account notices.
Then leave the newsletter box unchecked.
Where should I sign?
Sign on the line next to today's date.
I finished the form. Could you check it?
Certainly. Your name and address are both clear.
How long does the process take?
Just a few minutes. You'll get your card today.
Can I borrow books right away?
Yes, after you create an account password.
What kind of password should I use?
Use at least 8 characters and choose something you can remember.
Can library staff see my password?
No. Staff members cannot see your password.
I've created one. What happens next?
I'll print your card and activate your account.
How many books can I borrow?
You can borrow up to 20 physical items at one time.
Are books usually due in 2 weeks?
Most books are due in 3 weeks.
Can I renew them online?
Yes, unless someone else has placed a hold on the item.
What does place a hold mean?
It means asking the library to reserve an item for you.
How many times can I renew an item?
Most items can be renewed twice.
Do you charge late fees each day?
No. Riverbend does not charge daily late fees.
What happens if I don't return an item?
Your account may be blocked.
Will I also have to pay for the item?
Yes, you may need to pay the replacement cost.
Can I return books to another branch?
Yes. You can return them to any Riverbend branch.
Does this card work at every branch?
Yes, it works throughout the Riverbend library system.
I live near the Westside branch.
That branch is smaller, but it has many popular items.
What time does it open on weekdays?
It opens at 9 from Monday through Friday.
What time does it close?
It closes at 8 on weekdays.
What are the weekend hours?
Weekend hours are listed on our website.
Are the hours different at each branch?
Yes. It's best to check online before you go.
Can I use my online account today?
Yes. Sign in with your card number and new password.
Can I reserve books from home?
Yes. Choose a pickup branch when you reserve a book.
How will I know when the book is ready?
We'll email you when it arrives at your branch.
How long will you keep it for me?
We keep reserved items for 7 days.
Can someone else pick it up for me?
Yes, but you must give that person permission first.
How do I give permission?
You can add the person's name to your account.
I'll probably pick up my own books.
That will make the process easier.
Do you have ebooks too?
Yes. We offer ebooks and audiobooks through our app.
Do I need a separate account for the app?
No. Your library card account works with the app.
Can I use the app without carrying my card?
Yes. The app can show a digital library card.
Should I still carry the physical card?
You can, but the digital card also works here.
What should I do if I lose my card?
Tell us quickly so we can protect your account.
Is there a fee for replacing it?
Yes. A replacement card costs $3.
Can my family members use my card?
No. Each person needs their own library card.
My wife may apply next week.
She'll need her own ID and proof of address.
Can she use the same lease?
Yes, if her name is also on it.
It looks like my card is ready.
Yes. Please check that your name is spelled correctly.
Yes, it's spelled correctly.
Great. Please sign the back of the card.
So I can borrow 20 items for 3 weeks.
That's right, and most items can be renewed twice.
The card is free, but a replacement costs $3.
Exactly. Keep your card and account information safe.
I'll start by borrowing 2 books today.
The self-checkout machines are next to the main desk.
Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
You're welcome. Enjoy the library, and welcome to Riverbend.